Listening out for nature. Birdsong in the wind, making promises it cannot keep. To every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the head of creatures great and small. Tears in the wind but acid rain, humanity's gift to every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the head of creatures great and small. Joy too in the wind, same birdsong busy serenading every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the heads of creatures great and small. Love songs in the wind, composed for every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the heads of creatures great and small, to take heart, know it will flourish in the light of Apollo's smile. Ageless for telltale wind, like our pride in every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the heads of creatures great and small, exhorting us to answer its call, to keep this world colourful, peaceful. Birdsong in the wind, let fly to reassure every flower, tree and blade of grass, lift the heads of creatures great and small, threatened daily with extinction. Tears in the wind, as the passing of each season for every flower, tree and blade of grass, each hair on the heads of creatures great and small. Joy too in the wind, at each springtime's returning, to nurture every flower, tree, blade of grass, creatures great and small, counting on nature, nature on us.